the passing of Amendment 3 in Missouri. Good morning, Ryan.
Good morning, Michelle. Change most definitely in the air here in Missouri. Last night, Missouri voters hit the ballots. They submitted their votes, and right now, Missouri, and starting next year, marijuana legal in Missouri. Let's look at the vote total because it was a tight race overall, with 99% of precincts reporting Missouri Amendment 3 passes, with 53% of voters supporting the measure. Last night, supporters celebrated the victory by lighting up in Ballpark Village. The passing of Mo Amendment 3 means the sale of recreational marijuana is legal, and there will be a 6% state tax on all sales. Local municipalities have the ability to tax an additional 3%, and this will generate an estimated $41 million for Missouri overall. The group Legal Mo 2022 gathered nearly 400,000 votes to get this measure on the ballot, and they were hopeful last night before the amendment was called.
We're up right now statewide, but the places where we're losing, we're still holding it pretty tight. Then the places where we're winning, they haven't reported a lot of their votes yet. So the pattern of where the votes are coming in looks very positive for us. We're going to pull this thing out. We'll have to wait to see. It's not done until it's done, but things are looking positive.
So there's legal implications that come with this as well. All nonviolent offenders who have marijuana charges can petition to be released from jail or be released from their duties when it comes to parole or probation, and the records would be expunged. So coming up next half hour, we're going to talk about when all this will start come next year. I'm Ryan Henson, 5 on your side.
All right, thank you, Ryan.